Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install a RAM, power supply, and SSD. Basic knowledge that you need for this video. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is your computer's short-term memory. It helps your computer work faster by keeping data, programs ready to use. Or RAM means better performance. The power supply in a computer is like a battery for your devices. It takes electricity from the outlet and converts it into the right kind of power to run all the parts inside your computer. An SSD solid-state drive is like a faster and more reliable version of a hard drive. It stores your computer's data and programs, making them load and run much quicker than a traditional. Enjoy the video. This is our RAM. Align it properly in the slot, then insert it into the motherboard. Press firmly till you hear a click. This is the wire for our power supply. Connect the wire into the motherboard. This is our SSD, also known as solid-state drive. Connect the power supply into the SSD using the SATA power cable. Then connect the SATA cable into the SSD. Then connect the SATA cable into the motherboard. That's it for our video. For today, we hope you learned how to install RAM, power supply, and SSD. We will keep making learning videos like this, so turn on the notification bell for you to be notified when we post another video for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching.